In this video, I will be showing you how to make a mockup in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage. I head over to the top left side and click on Create a Design. From the menu options under Frequently Used, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editor loads, I click on the blank canvas to select it. Then I open the background color box on the top toolbar. I pick a green color, and then I click on the color palette to fine-tune the shade, dragging the slider until I get a deep, clean forest green background. Next, I go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, I type in Mockup and press Enter to see all available mockup options. Then, I click See All right beside the Graphics category so I can browse through all the graphic mockup frames. I choose a slanted smartphone mockup and click on it to add it directly onto the canvas. I click and drag the corner handles to resize the phone, making it larger, and then position it slightly toward the center right. Now, I look back at the graphics panel on the left and select an open laptop mockup. I adjust its size to fit nicely beside the phone. To give the design a dynamic angle, I grab the rotation handle and tilt the laptop slightly to the right. Next, I click on Position in the top menu and send the laptop backward so it sits neatly behind the phone. I fine-tune the position and scale of both the laptop and phone. Then, I go back to the Elements panel and click on a vertical tablet mockup. I resize the tablet, place it on the right side of the canvas, and click Position to send it backward behind the smartphone as well. Finally, I make a few minor adjustments to the alignment, spacing, and sizing of all three devices so everything looks balanced, polished, and ready for displaying content. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a mockup in Canva.